In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Jira Kanban board. Whether you're new to Jira or looking to refine your project management skills, customizing a Kanban board can significantly improve task organization and workflow efficiency. Start by navigating to the Your Work section and selecting the project whose Kanban board you want to edit. Click the three dots in the top right corner and choose Configure Board to access the Customization Hub. Here you can edit existing columns, add new ones, or remove unnecessary ones to reflect your team's workflow. Consider your team's process, such as stages for review or blocked tasks, to ensure smooth task progression and quick identification of bottlenecks. Remember that permissions may be required to make changes, so contact your Jira admin if needed. After making adjustments, save your changes to lock in your updates. Regularly reviewing and updating your board helps maintain an effective project management flow.